always going to start with the ones place. We're going to multiply those out. So 6 times 3 is 18, but just like with regrouping that we did with multi-digit by one digit, we're only going to bring one number down. So our number is 18, we're only going to bring the 8 down, and we're going to regroup that 1 up to the next place value. Now I'm going to multiply 3 times 4, and this time, unlike using partial products, I'm just going to simply look at that kind of as a 3 times 4. If you look at it in place value, according to place value, it might confuse you a little bit. So I know 3 times 4 is 12, and remember I got to add that 1, so that's 13. I'm going to put my 3 down, and there's no other number up top here, so I'm just going to put my 1 down right next to it. Now, I've used my 3, I'm going to kind of scratch out that 1 so that I don't have to look at that anymore. Once I use it, it's done. And I'm going to go to my next place value, which is the 2. But remember, that's a 20. So in order to count, to understand that that is a 20, I'm just going to add a 0 down there. So each time I go to a new number on the bottom row, I'm going to add a 0 to my answer. So I go 20 times 6, or 2 times 6, is 12. And remember, I put my 2 down, and I bring my 1 up to the next place value, and then I'm going to multiply those again. So 2 times 4 is 8, plus that 1 is 9. I'm done multiplying everything together, so now all I need to do is add. So 8 plus 0 is 8, 3 plus 2 is 5, 9 plus 1 is 10, so 46 times 23 is 1,058. Using regrouping like this makes it a little easier because instead of having to worry about 4 numbers that you're putting down here, you're only having to worry about 2. And you can do a lot of that work up here. It just makes it a little bit easier, a little bit faster. Just to show you really quickly one more time, I'm going to go through those steps. So 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 7 is 28, so I'm going to put my 8 down here. My 2 would go to the next number, or next place value, but it's not there, so I'm just going to bring it straight down. So now I'm going to switch to my 3, or my 30. So to make sure that I know I'm multiplying it by 30, I'm just going to put a 0 there, and I always do that. It's just your rule. So then I'm going to multiply it by my ones place first, so 3 times 2 is 6. And I'm going to go on my next one. 3 times 7 is 21, so I put the 1 down. And there's no other number to put it here, so I'm just going to bring it straight down as well. So my last step is just adding those straight up. So 72 times 34 is 2,448. And that is how you multiply with regrouping 2 digits by 2 digits.